Well, as you can see, the floor is welded, both here and underneath the car, on the other side as well. Still have to remove some rust, there's still quite a bit left. So got this one, got one rust over here, a little bit over here. Need to apply some rust protection, it's very important. Otherwise, there's some small fixes. It's now 9:36 p.m. and the job is pretty much done, as you can see. Well guys, as you can see, here's where the spare tire was to be, and there's quite a bit of rust. As you can see, it's supposed to be a hole where the water leaks out, but unfortunately it's all rotten. Well guys, as you can see, the rust is fixed in here. I will have to apply some more rust protection, and then it's done. It's 100% finished in here as well, inside. And yeah, the place for the spare tire is also fixed. Here's where the hole used to be. Now it's fixed. Alright guys, as you can see over here and over there as well, just drilled some holes. Alright, as you can see, it had some rust. It's now fixed. It has a bit of primer and all that. Have to sandpaper it, and the body is pretty much done. Alright, so here's the car. That's how it currently looks like. I thought that I was gonna paint this car this year, but unfortunately it's so cold outside and I'll leave it for next year. What I'm gonna do is cover the car and also remove the battery and all that. But first of all, I have to start the car and turn it around, and let's see if it starts. Of course it starts. What a car. And that's it. And it's stored for winter, as you can see.